Hey guys, this is the week 4 answer key for the fourth grade science review. Hopefully you guys have been completing these week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4 because there could be a time where there might be a fourth grade quiz on the stuff that we've been reviewing, like scientific method and weather. So I would make sure I'm reviewing. Let me go ahead and share my screen so we can go over the answers. So week 4, we needed to match the weather tool to its definition. So D, a thermometer measures air temperature. B, an anemometer measures wind speed. C, rain gauge measures precipitation, and a barometer measures air pressure. A front, that's the boundary between two different air masses. We might have a high and a low air mass coming together. That would be a front. We have a real life situation. Taylor wants to use a thermal energy. She wants to monitor thermal energy each day in July. What would she use? A thermometer, because thermal energy just means energy, heat energy coming from the sun. To measure, length, I'm going to use a ruler. And then we need to match the cloud type to its definition. So cirrus clouds, those mean fair weather. They're the feather. Remember, cirrus the cloud, high wispy up at the very top of our sky. Light drizzle or light rain or drizzle, that would be those stratus ones, that gray blanket right above us. Stormy weather is cumulonimbus, and then a nice fair weather fluffy that you usually see in the spring or in the fall, those are cumulus clouds. Air pressure is due to the weight of the air. There's actually pressure pushing on our bodies right now, and you guys didn't even know that. You guys didn't even feel it. And the reason why we're not actually like crumbling and like sinking under all this pressure is because there's actually pressure inside of our body pushing outward. So we got pressure pushing in and pressure pushing out, and they actually equal each other. So that way we can actually stay as a human form and not like crumble and be smushed because of the pressure. So the pressure coming out of our body and the pressure pushing on our body are equal, meaning that we can actually stay and live and survive. I know, crazy. He looked at his barometer and the pressure was dropping. Low pressure means stormy. A graduated cylinder, which is kind of like a little tube that has a ruler attached to it. It's a long tube and it has like a ruler attached to the side where we measure liquid. That measures volume. Then we have our little, remember what we said, there's like the little suns, the icicles, the high and low. So high pressure would be the capital H, low pressure, the capital L. Cold front, remember the triangles, like our icicles, and the warm front are like our little suns, the circles. Humidity, we get this in the summertime. We actually had some humidity last week. Is the amount of water vapor, so how much water is there floating around in the air. Matthew was playing basketball with his friends and he saw a large anvil-shaped cloud. So that means it's a thunderstorm. So an anvil is kind of like it's metal and it's like a box, kind of like a box, and it gets like wider as it goes up. It kind of starts up smaller at the bottom and gets wider as it goes up. A balance is used to measure mass. So it's like those two sides, and you have to find the equal amount. So one's not higher or lower than the other, so they're equal. Meteorologists are the scientists who gather weather information. If we're looking at any kind of condition in the atmosphere, that's what we consider weather. Susan's tracking air pressure to see if there's snow coming, and she sees the numbers rise. No, high pressure means nice weather. Remember, low pressure means storm coming. Here's actually a picture of a balance. As you can see, we have a bird and we have a soccer ball. Which one has more mass? That would be the ball. One lower to the ground means it weighs more, has more mass, it takes up more space. Alrighty. Those are your answers for week 4. See you guys later. Bye.